ScribeLabs AI says it can take you from zero to a published Amazon book and audiobook in under 10 minutes, with no writing, no research, and no experience. That's a big claim. Let me tell you what it actually does. ScribeLabs AI is a web-based tool built for Amazon KDP publishing. The idea is simple. Most people who want to publish on Amazon get stuck at 3 points. They don't know what niche to publish in, they can't write a full book, and they don't know how to fill out Amazon's submission form correctly. This tool tries to handle all 3 of those problems in one place, from a single dashboard. When you log in, you get a niche explorer that shows you live demand scores, competition levels, and trend data across 24+ Amazon categories. So you're picking a niche based on real numbers, not guessing. From there, an AI writer builds out a full manuscript, up to 15,000 words, structured by chapter. Then there's a one-click audiobook converter with 22 different AI voices, which means your book also goes up as an audiobook, giving you 2 separate royalty streams from the same content. And finally, a Chrome extension that actually autofills your entire Amazon KDP submission form. Title, description, keywords, categories, price, all pulled from your research data. That last part is genuinely useful because that form is where a lot of first-time publishers mess up and get buried in search results. Front-end price is $14.95, which is a one-time payment. This is a good fit if you've been curious about Amazon KDP but never actually published anything, or if you've tried before and got stuck at the writing or submission stage. It also makes sense if you want to offer book publishing as a service to clients. A commercial license is included. It is not for you if you're expecting polished, deeply researched content that stands out in a competitive niche on its own. The AI writes functional nonfiction. It's publish-ready, but it won't win awards. And if you've already got a working KDP system, this probably doesn't add much. Also worth knowing, Amazon has tightened its rules around AI-generated content. That's not a reason to avoid the tool, but it's something to stay aware of. There are upsells in the funnel. I wasn't able to pull the full OTO list and pricing at the time of this review. I'll drop a link in the description to updated funnel details when those are available. As a general rule with tools like this, grab the front end first, see if you actually use it, then decide on upgrades from there. Honestly, for $14.95, ScribeLabs AI offers a lot more than most KDP tools at that price point. The niche research, the audiobook converter, and especially the Chrome extension for autofilling the KDP form. Those are practical features that solve real problems in the publishing workflow. The main thing to go in with clear eyes about is content quality. The AI does the job, but you may want to review and lightly edit before publishing, especially in more competitive niches. If you want to try it, the link is in the description below. Buy through that link and you'll also get my exclusive bonus bundle, worth over $43,000, which is only available through that link, not anywhere else. I'll have the full bonus details listed on the page you land on. Link is below. Take a look and decide for yourself.